Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to be learning how to use factoring with completing the square. Let's say we're given a problem x squared plus 4x equals 0. Well, we might have solved that before by, I know my GCF is x, so we could do this, x times x plus 4 equals 0. And we would get our solutions x equals 0 and x equals negative 4. Well, yeah, that's right, but this is math class and we can't keep it that easy for too long, so we have to learn something new today. It'll get us the same exact answer, but what completing the square will also allow us to do is get new types of answers, particularly irrational answers. So let's get started. If we look at our equation, the first thing I'm going to do is take my b value. B equals 4. Next thing I'm going to do is take 1/2 of my b value. So I'm going to divide my b value by 2. Well, I know that 4 over 2 is equal to 2. Next, I'm going to take my b over 2 and square it. Well, that is equal to 2 squared, which is equal to 4. Okay, why did we do all that? Well, because now I'm going to take my original equation and add my new value to both sides. So I have x squared plus 4x. I'm going to give myself a little bit of space and just write equals 0. And now on both sides of the equation, I'm going to add 4. So I'm going to add plus 4 on this side and plus 4 on this side. Okay, well that will reduce down, well, x squared plus 4x plus 4 is the same thing. If I factored it, I would get x plus 2 squared equals 0 plus 4 is just 4. Okay, now what I'm going to do is take the square root on both sides. So I'm going to take the square root of x plus 2 squared and the square root of 4. On the left hand side, the square root of x plus 2 squared is just x plus 2 equals the square root of 4, which is plus or minus 2. Okay, here is where I can mess you up a little bit, but what you essentially have to do now is say, well, x plus 2 can either equal 2 or not or, and. We'll say and x plus 2 equals negative 2. I'm just taking plus 2 over here and minus 2 over here. Okay, now you just solve for each. So I'm subtracting 2 on both sides here, and I get x equals 0. Over here, same thing, subtract 2 on both sides, and I'll get x equals negative 4. And that is my solution, or those are my solutions to my problem. It's the same solutions we got before, only a different way to factor them.